Alright, we'll be switching out this oil filter housing right here. Got some of this off, the wires off. This has got to come out. Give me some more room. It's only got 4 bolts. Well, it's got bolts up here too. Let's see if I can get some light on it. Got a bolt here on top. Can't get in there to see it. It's got a bracket right here on top. That's got to come off. Should be 4 bolts down in there somewhere. So let's get after it. Alright guys, got the old housing out. That's the new one sitting there. The old one came out from down here. We'll clean that up a little bit, but that's where it goes down there on them. It's got 4 bolts holding it in. I'm going to clean that up and put this all back together. And it's hard, but it's not too bad. You got to take the tensioner. One of the inside belt tensioners got to come out in the belt. That was probably about the hardest part of it. Well, getting the 4 bolts out was hard too, but we're all good to go now. So let me get after it and get this thing back together. All right, I got the new one all back up in there. It's a little difficult to do, but I got it done. Got the belt all done, the tensioner back on, the belts are on. So she's pretty much done. I gotta put the air box back in it. Hook these up before I turn the key on. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Y'all know what to do. See you.